The Traffic Galoit. Beginner-friendly software gets you 450 plus extra website visitors per day and boosts your profits 3x. Ranking on Google is getting harder. Everyone and their grandma is trying to get free Google traffic. More and more competitors are getting into the SEO game daily, making it harder for you to get traffic to your site. No traffic equals no sales equals no income. New twist on a proven method generates more free traffic for you. The trick is to target hundreds, low competition, easy to rank for, long tail keywords. Instead of trying to rank for weight loss, it's easier to rank for terms like buy weight loss supplement online or carbofix review. The modern SEO way to do this is to use tags, one of the SEO features built into WordPress. A tag page can often outrank the original post, generating more traffic and sales for you. We noticed tag pages ranking high on our websites, and we aren't the only ones. Example: let's say your WordPress post ranks number 9 on Google for a keyword. One of your site's tag pages may be ranking number 2 for that same keyword. Your tag page points back to your WordPress post, leapfrogging competitors who rank in positions 3-8. Boom! You just got higher rankings and more traffic without really doing anything special. Introducing Traffic Goliath. For busy website owners, bloggers, freelancers and marketers. Get organic traffic, leads and buyers from Bing and Google for free. World's only WordPress plugin with traffic triad technology. Leverages the power of Google, YouTube and Amazon. Intuitive and beginner-friendly. Limited time, fast action, launch period bonuses included. How does Traffic Goliath work? Step 1. Let Traffic Goliath generate hundreds of tags for you with one click. It will fetch keywords from sites like Google, YouTube and Amazon. Step 2. Traffic Goliath will generate hundreds of smart traffic pages for your site. They will be keyword optimized and ready to rank high on Google. Step 3. Traffic Goliath will intelligently interlink these pages with each other. This is a very powerful SEO approach, which Wikipedia.com uses a lot. During launch week, you are also getting these 3 exclusive bonuses. During launch week, you are also getting these 3 exclusive bonuses. Live training, how to get traffic and sales in 30 minutes and make $8,000 plus month. Find out a little-known traffic source. Generate traffic and income at will. No experience needed. Discover who Mr. X really is. $10K per month affiliate blueprint. Copy what successful affiliates already do. Earn 6 figures every single year. No product creation. Slingshot SEO system. Rank a new affiliate site on Google page #1. Generate traffic and commissions fast. 100% beginner friendly. 60-day get traffic and sales guarantee. Use Traffic Goliath on your WordPress site. We're sure you'll get enough extra traffic and sales to cover your investment and more. In the unlikely case this doesn't happen, Let us know within 60 days of your purchase. We'll work with you to make it right, or refund your purchase. No matter what, we'll still be friends. We want to build a long-term business relationship with you, so we are both happy for years to come. We have some of the lowest refund rates in the industry, because our products get results for our customers. Summary of what you are getting. Traffic Goliath WordPress plugin. Launch week bonus number 1, $10K per month affiliate blueprint. Launch week bonus number 2, Slingshot SEO system. Quick start guides and videos. Free upgrades and cool new features. Friendly customer support 60-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Get more traffic and sales starting tonight. Start getting more traffic and profits today. Single site license, $39. Only at $18. Unlimited site license, $79. Only at $19. Limited offer. The launch week bonuses and the discounted price can only be guaranteed during the launch week. Get your traffic galoit today. Link in the description. After buying the product, send me the payment proof on my Instagram for amazing bonuses. Instagram link in the description. Thank you for watching.